everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys simple worship chords that you can use. Even as a beginner, you can play this. So let me use this song, I'm No Longer a Slave, for illustration. So let me play it, then I'll break it down further. I'm no longer slave to fear. I am a child of God. So I'm doing this very tutorial on the key of F, but I'm using the second inversion of your F. You know, this is your F, first inversion, second inversion, which is your A. Sorry about that. Which is your C, F, G, your A, and your C, which is your Sol, Do, Re, Mi, Sol. On your left, you hold your Do, So, Do. So first off, the progression of this that I just did now, I'm no longer from your Do. I'm playing something like this full chord of your Do. So I'm no Fa, Sol, Mi, La, Mi, Fa, Sol, Do. Normal pattern. I'm no 4, 5, 3, 6, 3, 4, 5. Back to your 1. So see what I was doing here. Let me now break it down further. I'm no. You understand? You can play this, I can play this. So what I did here is your Fa to Fa on your left and on your right. If you cannot hold it down like this, you can just play this. Or you can just play your Fa. I'm no longer. On your Sol, you play your Sol, Re, Sol. On your right, you play your T, Re, Sol. To feel your Mi to Mi. On your right, you play your T, Mi, Sol. I'm keeping it simple. T, Mi, Sol. Let me start from the beginning. I'm no longer Sol. Your T, Mi, Sol. Then your Z, La. Your Z will be a passing chord to your La on your left. Then on your right, you just play your La. Again. I'm no longer a slave. Z. On your left, just play your Z, La. Then you will now play your La to La. On your right, you play your La, Do, Mi. Again. You see? So you're going to play something else. Let me start from the beginning. I'm no longer a slave to fear. So this will be a passing chord to your Fa. It's very simple. So I'll take it very slowly. A child of God. That's the end. But see what I played here. Understand? your mi, re, di, re, mi, so, fa. So di, do, di, re, mi, re, di, re, mi, so, fa. Your 6 out to your 1. So let me take it very simple, very slowly. Just a passing chord to your fa. Child of God. So from the beginning, before I get here, you see, I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God. And again, you can play your C. I'm no longer a slave to fear. If you play your fa here, you play your fa to fa here, and then your re to re will not be a passing chord to your saw, then the end, do, something like this. I'm no longer a slave to fear. A child of God. So it's very simple. If you want to get it, you can replay this very tutorial. You take it one step at a time. You will get what I played. So let me play it from beginning to end with the beats. Then we call it a tutorial. I'm no longer slave to fear. I am a child of God. I'm no longer. So this is how to spice up your worship course on keyboard. Hope this very tutorial helps you on your journey. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please do well to like, subscribe, share, drop your feedbacks, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial.